you tell us about yourself?
Bula. My name is Eroni Talingao. I am from Narcoso, from Ra, and I'm 13 years old.
We believe you were brought in by a show's program from Namos, Sirwa.
Hey.
Can you tell us now that you're in show? Can you tell us a little bit about that experience?
My experience is that my big sister brought me into the sport, and I'm 8 months in the sport. And I hate this sport when I started, but when I was going on, I was a fidgeter, and then I thought about it. It was good to me, and it helps you a lot. Don't need to go to the gym, so I'm a weightlifter.
What really actually inspired you to take up weightlifting?
It inspired me that I can, but it inspires me that my sister was a weightlifter, so she didn't represent Fiji, and I want to represent Fiji just for her.
So now that you are training with the team, away from home, is it away from your family?
Yeah, it's from Pasukaba, and I'm staying here in Suva. Yeah,
How's the message been to the family about training?
it's been good. The training is good, message is good, and the family's been proud of me for training here. About to tour around in the islands. So yeah.
So what would be the one goal that you have for this year?
My aim is just that to do my personal best, not to win medals, but just to do my personal best. Yeah.
What would be one message you have for those young 15-year-olds out there who
My message to them is just train hard. Don't look at you as you're a small kid. You look it up to your brothers. Go to the gym and train, so you can just be fit all the time and healthy.
we heard about you winning silver at the junior championship.
Yeah, this silver is competing in the Pacific Games. It's not big to me, but I'll thank the Lord for the medals.
When you were lifting during that competition, can you talk us through? Can you take us through your experience?
It was the first time standing there in the big crowd, but I thank the Lord. I'll be confident standing there, and I wasn't afraid. I wasn't afraid of the other partners who was competing with me, but I'll thank the Lord who was giving me the confidence. Yeah.
Do you have any message to the villagers back in Narikoso?
Uh, I'm just gonna speak in Ra. Do yang ralevu, mai na mai. Do uban ralevu ngani bi do. Do kunni levu na mo di ralevu do pan mai teren ke suba. Levu na tete, kon levu na tete, kon ngamai teren ralevu nak.